This series will be focused on the unit circle. We'll try to have a system to memorize the sine of any angle on the unit circle and the cosine of any angle in pi, radians, in degrees or radians, but radians are used more often. So there's our unit circle, and really what we need to do is a technique to memorize the first quadrant. The first quadrant are those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles right here. This is our first quadrant right here. Okay, so what we need to do is memorize two triangles. They're called special right triangles. And the first one being the 45, 45, 90. And the second one, which we'll see in the second video, is the 30, 60, 90. And both of those are called special right triangles. Okay, let's focus on the 45, 45, 90 niche. Here we have a special right triangle, the 45, 45, 90, right here. Both legs are length 1 unit of anything you want, and that makes the hypotenuse in this case with square root 2. And you will eventually forget this, and to retrieve it from memory, which in math is the technique I use a lot, is retrieve what I forget from logic. And what I do is I imagine a square of sides. Each side of the square is length 1, and then we'll split this square diagonally. Let me do this like so. Boom. And now we have our same 45, 45, 90. This is the 90 right here, and we have 45 degree, 45 degree. And here again, the hypotenuse will be the longer side, and square root 2 is the longest side. Okay. So in this first part, what you have to do is only memorize the 45, 45, 90. Once again, legs are 1, hypotenuse is square root 2.